2, 1.
What do you think you're doing, missus? Are you eating Daddy's flip-flops? Can you not eat Daddy's flip-flops? He needs them. Everyone's been lazy, look. In bed. We need to go get some breakfast, don't we, sweetheart? Can you stop eating Daddy's flip-flops? Because if you start eating them and the rubber comes off, we'll know it because it'll be in your poop. Oh, I just need to get a top on and then go wait for these two to get out of bed and then breakfast. You enjoying that? I didn't really film breakfast because I think you guys have seen enough of us just devouring food. So, heading back to the room, get some stuff for the beach, and then we're gonna hit the beach up. Bit of snorkeling, bit of drone footage. It's gonna be a good day.
It's hot.
It is hot. Oh, she's ready. Emma's found a band. That's not my band.
Mine now. Oh.
Why would you want it when you don't like alcohol?
I can get you guys some alcohol.
Yeah, but you got a baby face, so.
Oh. No, I
So it's Bailey though.
Does it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Bailey's got that.
Connor's got an old man face.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
Old and
Well,
wrinkly.
I'm gonna jump down to the pool because we're gonna drop onto stuff off at her room.
Yeah.
I need to pick up my snorkel from my mum's room. Emma wants to jump in the pool.
My black snorkeling.
Yeah, I've got your black snorkel, but we need to go pick my blue one up because we plan on going to the beach.
Why does Mum even have it?
Because I think she just picked it up because no one else did. What we doing?
We're going around pool.
Yeah, change plans once again. Gonna be around the pool only for a bit until Bailey wakes up, and then we're gonna have a little gander over to the beach.
You. I'm not. You.
Well, my mum's going as well.
Yeah.
Wait for Bailey to wake up, go to the beach, and then we can go snorkeling. But for now, we just gotta wait. Wait. That's all we're ever doing, waiting. Hopefully got your juice. Ooh.
Oh yeah, look at you. She's like, nope, I don't want them. What's the bad? No, don't eat them. Put them on your eyes. Eyes, suck at it. Nope, okay.
Okay, so the plan of action is that Emma's going to stay by the pool with Oakley because she's gone for a nap. Me and my mum are going to try and find Bailey so we can go snorkeling in the sea. Hopefully there'll be a bit more fish today than there was the other day. I'll just see my mum. But yeah, hopefully more fish. Well, Bailey's just come out of his room.
I've seen him.
Oh, have you got a snorkel for him?
No.
I think we need to get him a snorkel. Okay, so we're on the move. Bailey's currently flying the drone. It's up there somewhere. We've got our sea shoes on because trying to walk on this is an absolute nightmare, but that sea is absolutely gorgeous. We're heading over that hill to find the sandy beach because apparently there is a sandy beach. It's all about just trying to find it, and then we're going to go snorkeling, all three of us, and hopefully there'll be some more fish around that area than there was in this area because there wasn't that many. Not that many at the moment. How you finding flying the drone? Yeah. Okay, well, I'll switch to the drone footage now whilst we walk on over. Wow, it's like walking through a desert. If I kept pointing the camera this way, you would think that we were in a desert. I mean, it's just so desolate, it's dry, it's hot, it's humid. But if I turn this way, you wouldn't think that there was a holiday resort right there in the sea. But, oh, this is what it's like. Now this is what I've been waiting for. That's cooled my feet down instantly. Wow. I cannot wait to get in here. I am sweating. It is very clear. Absolutely nothing in this sea, just some rocks. Some rocks and that is it. That's a bit disappointing. So hopefully when we go scuba diving on the 28th, there'll be a bit more fish. So that's a bit of a letdown. I'll keep the camera on me just in case something does come up, like maybe a shark, and hopefully put me out of my misery. There's a couple of rocks over that way as well, but I don't know what they're going to be like. If they're anything like this one, not very good. But the water is like really clear. It's a shame that these goggles like make it not so clear. There's not very many fish still, even around the rocks. There comes Bailey. So, me and my mum was over at that rock, and on the swim back over I saw a pufferfish, and over there there's some really nice shots I can get, so we're going to go back over there with the camera this time, see what we can see over there. This was just sat on a big rock, and down there it's like a ravine, and there's fish absolutely everywhere around here. Apparently there's two really gorgeous ones just down there where my mum is, so we're going to jump in once I sort myself out. This mask and snorkel is awful. I swallowed that much water and I swim over it, it's unbelievable. But yeah, we'll jump in and check out these fish, and I'm going to take you through the little ravine bit. So many rocks, not enough fish, but that was absolutely beautiful. I'm going to jump back in a second. I just need to collect myself a little bit. Oh, this mask is awful, I'm telling you. I'm just floating over there somewhere. Let's jump back in. Hopefully, we'll see some more fish. This tide keeps pushing me. Whoa! And these rocks are very slippery. I'm fighting the tide here. I'm trying not to get caught in the rocks. The tide is taking me in. I'm currently traversing the rocks, trying to find a real nice place to jump in. Bailey's been too chicken to jump in, I'm thinking either here. There's a bit of rocks under the water, but I think I'll be able to make that. Or if we do a bit more climbing, which is a bit scary. I mean, look at the colour of that water. If we get onto this side, try and avoid the nasty ass stank water, we can jump in here. Ooh. We could probably jump off of this rock straight in there. I'll get better to scout it out to see how deep it is. If it's deep enough, we're jumping in. Okay, so it turns out that my own mother and brother have left me. And they're back on the sea. I don't know how deep this is. I swam over it, so it seemed deep enough. I'm gonna send it. I'm gonna jump in. I guess here we go. Oh wow! Whoa. Oh, I did it! Whoa. Whoa. Now the panic sets in because I got my mask on, or my snorkel, and I can't touch the floor. I have to swim with one hand. They're walking off without me. I'm out of breath from swimming back to shore. They're just behind the shell. At least I'm going to dry off pretty quick in this bloody heat. Jesus. Just got to walk back over the hill we came over last time. And then we're back at the resort. Oh, we made it back to the pool. Oakley's having time of her life, having all the juice in the world that she wants. And I've had like a Pepsi. I've got another one there ready. Atlanta stole my other one. No thumbs up. No thumbs up. Oh, is that nice, sweetheart? Is that some nice snorkel juice?
Should we go this way?
My mum called apple juice snorkel juice.
I just thought I heard her say Atlanta kid pastel. Oh, juice. Atlanta? She'll feel it.
Uh-oh.
I think I've had too much sun.
My mum's got some stroke.
Yawn.
We've come in for a siesta because little madam is tired and due a nap. And then I think we're going to go for a nap as well. Ready for when we're going out this evening for a meal at an actual Greek restaurant. Hope he's trying to grab the camera. But yeah, we're going to get our heads down, get some rest, go for something to eat. And Opie says hello. So, see you guys soon. Okay, so siesta over. The sun's starting to go down a little bit. You can see it on the horizon there. Little madam playing with a bit of rubbish, like always. I'm gonna take that off her. I think we've got like German American dad on as well. Ta. Thank you. She's very good at passing things, especially when she's not supposed to have it. Well, that's now in the bed. In the bin. God, I've had too much sun today. Well, we'll just wait for Emma to get ready. I'm gonna sit and watch German American Dad with the little devil just there. Oh, she's all ready. She's got her little sandals on. She's all dressed and ready and looks tired already. Emma's wearing all black. Bailey's wearing all black. And I'm wearing all white. Are you turning into a siren? I think she's had too much sugar, but she's fine. Dinner's done. Get in there before the doors close. -1. Oh no. Well, dinner was great success. Hopefully Tuesday we're going out for something to eat this time. And I've said that like
Tuesday?
twice now, but pass fail, I think so. Ooh.
22 days?
Yes.
So basically when you all go out?
No, because we're going on Wednesday.
27th, it's 27th.
Yeah. Hopefully he's trying to walk. You coming, sweetheart?
Come on.
You coming? Oh, you walking? You walking? Yeah, she definitely doesn't like the shoes. You walking, sweetheart? Oh, she's doing the splits. Oh, bye then. Bye bye. Where you going?
She can't even crawl.
Oh.
Come on, let me pick you up. Let's go. Oh, baby.
So we are off to the amps where the entertainment is, near the active pool.
Last night.
Yes, where we were last night, where Oprah was dancing. So we're going to see what's on.
I think everyone else is coming down as well.
All the family is there.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. So yeah, it's about it really, isn't it?
Everybody clap your hands! Wow, big applause for the kids! Big applause for the kids! Okay.
Where you going? We're now playing bingo. Apparently the best prize is a car for the day. So this is our marker. A toothpick.
Who have a ticket? Left side?
This is going to be fun. I don't know. But yeah, top prize, a car. Let's try and win one.
53.
Now,
And the next number, 7. 7. Missing one number also.
I bet he's so glad now he got
And what
it.
number? Okay. Come here.
I missed the actual recording there.
Yes, it's bingo. You win. Bravo. Bravo. Very nice. Okay. All 15 different numbers.
Yes.
All.
oh look! I know.
Okay. Let's go. 75.
75.
Wait.
I wait.
Where's the toothpick gone?
75.
75.
75. And
She
the
win it
next
again.
number is 30.
I literally didn't record
Very nice.
the winning
And
but,
number
In my head that was going to
23.
happen.
Maybe you have
but
44.
he basically won a line and he won some champagne
Yes.
and that. So
Yes, I heard.
needs
And
one more.
22.
I need
22
86.
maybe. 22.
No, the green one. The green one.
It should be 37. Please, somebody scream. 37.
Green one at the front.
No, bingo. Really? Oh, come here, please. Come here. I said,
No. Didn't win it this time.
Choose. $86.
Bingo!
Really?
Yep.
Really, 2 times. The same card and the same card can you win here. And you buy just 1 ticket. 3. Very good. Okay. Yes, bingo! It never happened. Never happened. It's first time. First time. In 6 years first time. 1 ticket, the same ticket win. It's the first time. It's really.
Bingo master.
It's first time, really. 6 years first time. The same ticket, the same everything.
You can have it.
Amazing. Okay, Papa, Mama, please.
So we decided to stay until the end. They had a little magic show. Pretty awesome. I got Bailey involved in it, so haha. I won the bingo twice on the same ticket. I never win bingo, let alone in a foreign country.
The guy actually turned around and said in 6 years and it's never happened.
My mum's not very happy.
Oh, just because you remember that.
But yeah, I even, as we were walking in, I explained that I never win bingo, and she's like, "Oh, you never know. You try your luck tonight." I'm like, "No, never win." And then I saw my mum had tickets. I decided, you know what? I'll test my luck, and I won twice in a row on the same ticket. And between winning the line and the full house, a woman thought she'd won, claimed bingo. Turned out she didn't. So I guess good luck to me.
So I can't remember where the last video was up to, but basically me, Connor, Alicia and Bailey, we've all had a few drinks. Obviously Alicia had some mocktails. She tried like a pink lemonade, but it was made with 7-Up and grenadine. We've had a few drinks, gone and had a walk on the beach. Connor, he's still currently with Bailey at the beach, skimming rocks into the ocean. I've just picked a little one, she's fast on, bless her, from grandma's. And then I'm just going back to the room now because I'm absolutely shattered. I've got a busy day tomorrow. And I will see you all in the morning.
Oh, we got Bailey up there. I forced him up there.
Why?
Oh.
They're getting a bit thick.
I know. What did she do to you, Bailey? What did she do to you?
Did some magic.